today I'm going to be going out with my brother. We going to this comedy club, so I'm gonna do like a good ready with me if I can. Um, I'm gonna show you all real quick what outfit I'm wearing. It don't look like nothing right now, but I have this little. Can y'all even see this little bralette top that I have on? I already showered, washed my face and everything. Then I have this sheer lacy top that I'm gonna wear over it. It's not gonna be open. It's gonna be tied like this. It's gonna be real cute. It don't look like nothing else. And then I got my leggings that I'm gonna wear with it. And it's gonna be a cute little outfit. I got like a little gold chain belt to wear with it. Baby, I'm about to be standing in profiling, okay? So, color is gonna be black and gold. That is my go-to color. Black and gold. I was gonna wear this outfit with some jeans, but it just wasn't hitting the same. So, I will be filming. I don't think I can film in the comedy club, but I'll film going there, of course, afterwards. I may try to get some video of the food we order. I'm actually eating before I go because I am plant-based and they don't have anything at this comedy club for my type of diet I have. So I'm gonna eat before I go. And I'm just making some quinoa with some steak and mushroom, peppers, and onions on top of it. It's gonna be really, really good. I might show y'all that. But it's now 5:16. My brother's supposed to be here at 6:30. Because all I gotta do is throw on my clothes and smell good, my jewelry. And if I feel like it, I might put on some makeup to get really, really early. But I really need to get out the house because I was really depressed these past 3 days. December month, even November month is hard for me because this was around the time my mother passed several years ago. So I get really, really depressed around this time. I really don't like the holidays, but I'm trying to push through it and start back liking the holidays again. Because it's not like it used to be when your mother is here. No matter how old you are. Yeah, with that part of you missing, it's just not the same. So I'm trying to get back into the holiday spirit. I don't know, not the holiday spirit, but out of this depression because I feel myself getting deeper and deeper into depression. So I need to get out the house and stop, moping around in my room. So that's what I'm gonna do. So that's the plan for tonight, to go to the comedy club, and I'm gonna take y'all along. So until the next clip, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Peace. What's up, y'all? What's up? I'm gonna do a quick what I got on check. Got my rose gold and black watch, my gold and black king and leopard bracelet. I got my little belt on, my sheer lace top I was telling you guys, with my little bralette underneath, my black ash gray undertone leggings. I got some black and gold shoes. I'm doing my black and gold. I did a little shoulder bag. So, not too much, too dressed up, but some of that. So this is how I'm looking. I ain't put on any nails, bare face. I was kind of in a rush because I really did get ready at 6:20. So this is how I'm looking. Hopefully y'all can see me. Yeah. Peace. What's up, y'all? I'm about to get ready to go. My brother is on his way. He just called me, said he was 5 minutes away. And I'm about to go get ready. I look horrible in this camera. I don't know. My face looks greasy. It's not like that in real life. This front facing camera sucks. So anyway, it got me looking greasy as hell, even though I'm not greasy. I don't know why it's looking like that. But anyway, I'm about to get ready to go to the comedy club. I will get some footage when I get inside the car. My ring light want to break, so I don't know how long this ring light is gonna work. Cause I got my camera light on and my ring light on, so it's acting right now. But a couple more tries, and it barely tapped the floor, and it broke. Cheap product. But anyway, I'll see you when I get into the car. I'm looking the wrong way. I'm supposed to be looking right here. I'll see you when I get into the car, you all.
That shit, I be like, on the quiz, like you the last boss. You feel me? On the game, you see, cause I know you don't play them games and shit. But I you know, that if you remember when the niggas used to play games, it'd be that last boss. It'd be hard to beat.
Oh yeah. At the top.
You know the big
Yeah.
You don't even know you that last boss.
Into this thing though, cause for some reason they said you supposed to do that at 7. I don't know why that.
You got that?
Oh yeah. Anyway, we headed to the on my niece being in my business. Just in case you see this.
Which niece?
Any one of them.
Four-fine lady, hey, four-fine lady, hey, don't think you crazy, hey, four-fine lady, hey, go ahead, my baby.
Hey, you so silly. Anyway, but we about to head to this comedy show, and I will holler at you.
Ain't shit funny though.
Hopefully, it is at this comedy show.
Yeah, it is.
Hopefully. Anyway,
hopefully
we gonna be laughing. We gonna
get y'all whole ass on.
We gonna.
Hey, she being nice. She being nice.
Oh, so we a hoe, huh?
They some hoes.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do it. I got
mine. Who? What? She ain't even tall. She look like that in here. She's small.
Anyway, I'll see y'all.
I got her smoking. She don't want to smoke.
Had this shit on my back just as a short. Put this shit on the map just like 40. Put this shit on the map just like 40.
I'll get you back at 40 next one.
40. Running to the other side when it's time to leave my life. Then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need right here. I really need my love. I need to free my mind. I really need your love. I need to free my mind now. I really need your.
They all jumped in that truck. They thought you was one of videos. Look. Get back.
I'm about to try to pay attention to my
But no, for real, because you look cool like that.
We are leaving the
You need to get that.
we are leaving the Looney Bin, and my her brother is I don't know what this nigga talking about.
No, you know damn well.
Yeah.
No. Oh, we over there. Hey.
Do I look good though? You about to go into the wrong car again?
No, my car right here. Oh shit.
Close them up, and the food don't even know how to pour. Oh, okay, you still in between the lines, so it's cool.
They ain't pulled up yet. That's all that was. Hey, Blue.
What?
That's all that is, man, Blue. We need to start our own. Don't be a menace. But look, we need to start our own.
I ain't know who you was.
Look, no, fuck that. Don't be a menace. We need to come on our own. Hey, we need to come. Hey, we siblings. We typing and we living and they chilling.
All in the car.
Without the club, but without the club, but yeah. Hey, real talk. We put them bitches across the street for real. Hey, real shit. We them ones when they were practicing doing bloopers. We'll be serious. They turn to bloopers.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a oops. Oh my, I knew it.
Hey y'all, I had to make the outro, the end into this video because I'm gonna have to shout out to the vloggers right now, because shout out to y'all who could still film after being lit. I don't know how the hell y'all do it. I gotta cut parts out because it was too lit, and I still got my pinky toe in YouTube with that. I don't know what to show and what not. Shout out to the people who could still film after getting lit. Child, ain't nobody worried about no camera. Okay, especially when me and my people get together, and then especially when me and my brother get together, it's a whole situation, and we get to run our mouth talking. This excuse the vlog if it's choppy. Forgive me in advance, because I don't know, like when your family there, your people there, and stuff like that, you forget about the camera, even if it's right there in your damn hand. Like, you're engaged in conversation because it's real life. I don't know, y'all be living fake lives, y'all structure y'all vlogs very, very well, because it's too many distractions with your people. You talking to your people and all that. Like, nobody is worried about, is this a good, like, I don't know, I'm just not a good vlogger. Why is making me look so ashy? I'm really not, y'all. I'm not ashy. I didn't, on some of the videos, my damn lips ashy as hell, and it was not ashy. I had some Vaseline, and I don't know, shit make my lips look ashy as hell. My lips always be looking ashy on camera, and I hate it. They ashy right now. Just got through brushing these pearly whites. Shout out to y'all, the vloggers who I just made it 2 minutes already. Shout out to the vloggers who know how to vlog even while they lit. That is truly a skill, because honey, I have not mastered it, or not even mastered, baby. I can't even get the beginning of it, honey. How? Like, for one, you're not thinking about a camera. You lit. Like, what? And then, right, my ass, I'm over here taking my brother out, trying to get him lit. Now, we was drinking on some vodka and all that. I don't even know what brand of vodka we was drinking now. Had me on my ass. Not had me on my ass. I wasn't even drunk. But I haven't drank in a long time, like hard liquor. And like, ooh. Is it 2 years? I don't really know. It's a long time. So I was like, I didn't get up in my normal time. I knew I wasn't going to get up in my normal time, because I usually get up at 4:30 a.m. in the morning. So I took a girl that was out. I think I made it home at a decent hour, though. I think I made it home right before 2 a.m. I made it home early, but I couldn't get up. Like, I woke up at 6 something. I was tired, went to sleep. Woke back up at 8. Still tired. It was like drained, like I was drained. Tipsy as hell. I was lit, baby. I was tipsy. I wasn't drunk though. I couldn't get my ass out the bed. I ain't gonna tell y'all what time it is now. This is the all bed day. Yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all I don't give a damn. It is 3:14 p.m. Oh, and I'm so upset because I'm working on editing this vlog, right? In the middle of editing, my computer the program wanna mess up, lost all the damn files. I was damn near done with editing. All I had to do was do the ending part, because I knew I didn't do that and add that on. But now I gotta do it over. Y'all might not get this video today. I was gonna try to drop it today, which is Thursday. Today ain't Friday, right? Hold on, let me make sure. Yeah, which is Thursday, the 21st. Y'all probably ain't gonna get this today, because I drop my videos usually at 6. That means I have less than 3 hours to edit this video. And I probably could, but I don't want to. Be rushing. Because I got to figure out, my video's so choppy, y'all. I got to figure out what part to keep in, what part to take care of. When you got so much, I got footage, but it's like, I'm not adding the real lit footage in. I'm so sorry. We're not doing that, okay? Yeah. Maybe next time. Not this time. I'm trying to still dip my toe in this YouTube thing. Like, not too much, but a little toe. But not the whole foot. I ain't want to give you the whole thing, but one day I'm gonna get the hang of it. Oh, in the next vlog, I'm doing another vlog. We're gonna do bowling. Might turn to drunken bowling. I said drunken bowling, so my brother, he was there. He's like, oh hell yeah, let's do it right. Hey, let's do it. So I still want to see the Christmas lights with the kiddos, so we setting that up. And yeah, so we're gonna do that too. So I hope y'all really enjoyed the video. And yeah, check out my other video. It's gonna be an end screen here. The video gonna be here, over here. It's gonna be some. Child, and I'm still tipsy from last night, girl. Look how I got the camera. I ain't even face y'all right now. I gotta redo this again. Damn. I might add this in, y'all, at the end. I'm so sorry. This might be what y'all get, cause girl, who about to I don't like refilming stuff, cause then it don't come out natural like the first time. Like, oh, that should be irritating too. Yeah, I don't like refilming. Y'all gonna get the film. That's how y'all gonna get it, honey. Anyway, I'm gonna try to refilm this again the proper way. That turning y'all sideways, cause it's YouTube for YouTube. But shout out to the Alicia wishing last night. Shout out to my brother. I had fun at the comedy club. It was good. We was late as usual because when we get together, we get to talking. The time flies. We literally do not be having enough time together. Like, it flies. Like, we've been on talk for 4 hours. It feel like 15 minutes. Yeah, it bees like that all the time. Not even sometimes. It bees like that all the time. When me and my brother and sister get together, we talk for a very long time. Very long periods of time. Yeah, so I hope y'all like this vlog. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you can know every time I got it out the store drop. And peace. I'll see you in my next video.
I almost thought of that. I was like, oops, really acting like, cause he ain't on you. He's like, I ain't ooping.
You said oops to an accident? What's wrong with you?
Real talk.
No, nigga said oops in real life. Nigga, I had a car accident. The nigga said oops. I said, bitches.
I knew.